Stop guessing on why your ROG Ally is stuck in a BIOS loop after an SSD swap. This is exactly how you beat it without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong because they assume your new drive is dead or incompatible. But before we enter the recovery menus, you need to understand the logic or you will just get stuck again. We are going to do this hand in hand and step by step. So it is impossible for you to fail this fix. Rexis is the authority on these hardware upgrades because we know how the Ally security handshake blocks new unformatted storage. You are seeing the BIOS screen every time you save and exit because the system literally has nothing to boot from, and it is waiting for you to trigger the manual deployment. Listen closely. The secret trick other creators missed is that the ROG Ally has a physical kill switch light sensor under the backplate. If you did not tighten the middle screw perfectly, or if you are working under a bright desk lamp, the system will refuse to initialize the boot sequence as a safety measure. To fix this right now, ensure your backplate is snapped in tight, and your official 65 watt charger is plugged in. From the BIOS main screen, press the Y button to enter the advanced mode, navigate to the advanced tab, and select ASUS Cloud Recovery. The logic here is that your new SSD is completely blank and needs the official ASUS image to create the hidden EFI partition. If the Cloud Recovery option is missing, you must go to the Security tab and ensure Secure Boot is enabled, then restart. Once the download begins, stay on the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band to avoid the common 5 GHz disconnection bug. Your ROG Ally will now recognize a new drive, format it automatically, and install a fresh copy of Windows 11. If you want a solution for the next SSD firmware update error, comment below right now.